Good day, McVeigh, and happy Wednesday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so our first project today is from J. Lee Jimenez, who did a project on snakes and mostly about how snakes eat. So J. Lee says all snakes eat live prey. So, um, you know, a snake wouldn't necessarily eat a bug that's dead, but a bug that's alive. But it's more about how the snake eats it. So a snake doesn't chew, it swallows whole. So, and the mouth of a snake can open very wide and is very flexible to be able to tackle any sort of prey. All right. So, our next project is very detailed. It's by Ronnie Ahmed, who did a project on a very, very important artist in history, Leonardo da Vinci, who is famous for several different works of art, uh, one being the Mona Lisa, for sure. So, anyhow, Leonardo da Vinci lived a very long time ago. He was born in Italy, actually, in 1452. Now we're in 2023. So, in about 30 years, Leonardo da Vinci will have lived, would have been born about 600 years ago. But he is also very famous for having painted a picture of the Last Supper. And something that a lot of people don't know, which I don't know if is in this, but he was a very important man in science as well. So, yeah, she did get into the science. And so the canal system in Italy is actually a function of Leonardo da Vinci, and he had many inventions, and so she also um, pays credit to that. Nice work. And then we have some getting smart through art. So this one's from Pabjot, who wants to be an artist when she grows up. And then we have Annalise in room 124, super duper colorful. And then Joy in first grade, who I don't know if you can see that sketch, but very, very detailed. Nice job, Joy. All right, now moving on to our Wordle and mystery number. I want to say Gabriel, Patrick, and Anthony. Patrick in 124 got the Wordle. Gabriel and Anthony in 205 got both, which is impressive. So we know that this is a vowel and it's not one of the most common. It happens to be an I. All right, so we're looking for a word here. Now, this letter is a consonant. It's one of the most common. So we use that one a lot. If it's common, you see it often. If it's rare, you don't see it often. Now, we know that there are two vowels in this number. It has 4 letters. So there are 4 numbers that have 4 letters. They are 0, 4, 5, and 9. All right, so we're looking for a 4-letter number. And we know that it has a vowel in it that is not one of the most common. But it's not the same as this vowel. That was my clue from yesterday. So that is going to take these 2 out of it. So we have 2 left. All right. 2 vowels are 2 numbers are left. Okay. So the clue for today is this number has 2 vowels, and one of them is the least common. All right. Now it's time for a mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So I got a note. Now this could be a repeat, but I'm going to go with it anyhow because I don't have a name on the note. And I don't know which Adrian. So this is a shout out to Adrian, who apparently cleaned up somebody else's mess. So somebody had a spill or something happened, and Adrian is the one who cleaned it up, not the person who had the problem. And now again, when you go the extra mile or you put out effort to help somebody else, especially when it means cleaning up a mess, yeah, that's kind. It's a little bit different. Somebody's pencil falls on the floor, it's next to you, you pick it up and give it to them. Well, that's something called being civilized. It would almost be rude not to give them back the pencil. But this is not the same as that. Imagine Mr. Minerva spills his lunch all over the place, and I go clean it up for him. Now, that would be a little bit more than just giving back the pencil. And that would be the difference between being civilized and doing the right thing, giving back the pencil, and being kind. And of course, boys and girls, anybody can be kind. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded. Every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.